Wring. To twist something to remove water. She wrung the wet towel. Wring the cloth before hanging it. Crush. To press something very hard so it breaks or loses shape. The car was crushed in the crash. She crushed the garlic for cooking. Squeeze. To press something firmly, usually to get liquid out. She squeezed the lemon for juice. She squeezed the bottle to get ketchup. Knot. A place where a rope or string is tied. He tied a knot in the rope. She learned how to make a strong knot. Crumple. To crush something so it becomes wrinkled or bent. She crumpled the letter after reading it. He crumpled the paper and threw it away. Spread. To move something so it covers a larger area. She spread butter on the bread. Don't spread your papers everywhere. Press. To push something with your hand or finger. Press the switch to turn on the light. She pressed the doorbell. Coil. Something that is twisted or wound in a circle. He rolled the rope into a coil. She coiled her hair around her finger. Squash. To press something so it becomes flat or soft. The ball got squashed under his foot. Don't squash the sandwich in your bag. Curl. To make something round or spiral. She curled her hair before the party. The ribbon curled at the end.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!